Okay, here's the bird who is hurt. As you can see, the bird cannot fly. And here are all of his friends. I don't know if you can even see them. You can hear them. Oh! One of them dive bombed me. Here, you see them all? You can hear them. And now the bird is trying to run away. I guess he's trying to run away from me. But you can see these birds? It's like they're dive bombing me. They're flying all around. It's like they know that their friend is injured. This has been going on. This is the third day this has been going on. How many birds are there? It must be 20. I don't know if you can see this, but I mean, it's just, they're circling. Where did they go now? They're behind me. And if they're not circling, they're sitting on the roof, overlooking. So, I'm not sure what's going on, or where the bird is now somewhere underneath that tree, I guess. I don't know what to do for him. He's just eventually going to die. It's really pretty sad.